Pero para sa akin, hindi naman pwedeng iba ang lahat. Mabuti naman yung iba kasi yung iba, educational games, okay man yun. Pero yung iba, that's why we call on CICC, sa DICT, yung UP, lahat ng mga nakakaintindi ng IT na i-reevaluate natin yan, make certain that there are safeguards. Let's only choose the ones that are really helpful for our kids. In the meantime, i-reassess na natin. Meron akong pending bill na binaban na yung access to social media under 16. Medyo kontrabida ako dyan, galit ang mga bata, pero sorry na lang, tiis-tiis tayo hanggang ma-regulate. Kasi hindi naman natin ma-regulate. Pag na-regulate natin, sige, mag-usap tayo. Tapos yung mga games na yan, make sure that there are safeguards, even for the educational ones, na ma-access, the interface is friendly. Kasi kung minsan, sabi nila, oy, may safeguards, we have guardrails in place. Pero kakomplikado naman, hindi naman computer savvy ang mga parents, hindi naman nila na-access. So I think it's very, very important that we safeguard. Ako, pro games ako, pro animation, pro film. Ang problema kapag ganyan at hindi natin kayang i-regulate. Tapos yung mga may-ari pa, taga-abroad, hindi natin mahabol kasi wala namang opisina yung mga yan sa Pilipinas. Paano yan? That is what we have to decide on and look at very carefully, including the juvenile justice system.